afternoon everyone. How are you all? Good. So today we are going to read about the special prize again. The first part we have already completed and today we are going to read the second part. In the first part we have read that the story has been written by Birendranath Datta, who was a famous Indian writer. And in this story we are going to, we have read about a boy, a naughty, a mischievous boy named Tapan, who was studying in class 5th. Okay, so here one day what happened, as we have learned in the last class, what we have read, one Chaukidar was there, as the principal has headmaster, headmaster has shouted to his Chaukidar and said, go to class 5th and call Tapan. At that time he immediately went there and he called Tapan. But there one man was standing. By showing him, his headmaster asked, do you know who is he? Then Tapan said, yes sir, he is a businessman from the he is a businessman from our village. So he said, businessman from your village? So what you have done yesterday? Why he is standing here? Why you have thrown stones in his shop? Then Tapan said that, yes sir, I have thrown stones in his shop. I, along with Rahul, one of his friends, they both, along with some other friends, they have thrown stones on his shop. So that's why that man came to the headmaster to give complaint against Tapan. Here Tapan, he is a very mischievous boy, but he never go from his side to fight with anyone. But if someone will come from forward to have a fight, or someone will tell anything, then he is ready to fight on behalf of all his friends. And at the top of that, on behalf of all his friends, he is also ready to take punishment on behalf of his friends. Okay. So when principal asked him why you have thrown stones in his shop, then he said that, sir, he is a very dishonest man, as he cheats the whole village. And yesterday when my mother told me to bring some dal, from 1 kilo of dal from his shop, I went, I asked him, he is taking more amount. Okay, the amount is also more, he is taking more amount, and when he is giving the product, when he is giving us the product, in that product what happens, something, when he has given 1 kilo dal, and that one I have brought to my home, and when I weighted it was just 800 grams. More 200 grams. It is the weight of the paper. पेपर के नीचे जो पेपर बैग्स रहते हैं उसके नीचे वो मिट्टी लगा के उसको वेट कर देता था. ओके, सो उस वजह से उसमें से 200 ग्राम उसमें चले जाता था और 80 ग्राम का ही वो सामान लोगों को देता था. हर चीज, हर एक सामान में वो ऐसे ही तोल के देता था. So he is treating the people. That's why we have thrown stones. Then for some time he has thought, that master has thought, then he said that, okay, you have, whatever you have done, that is wrong. Because you are not the one to punish any human being. If such type was there, here the government is there, or the panchayat is there, they all are there to take care of him, to take responsible of him. But why you? So by saying that, he has given 5 canes in his hand as a punishment. एक स्टिक से उसके हाथ में 5 बार मारता है. This was the first. Second one was, one ox was there which was stabbing everyone. वो सबको मारना पीटना, ऐसे उसके सिंग से उठा के, और कोई भी उसको रोकने के लिए लकड़ी वकड़ी दिखाते थे ना, तो उनके ऊपर फिर उल्टा चढ़ जाता था. वो बहुत परेशान करके रखा था पूरा the whole village को. So that day what he has done, Tapan, what he has done, one day he has decided to tame the ox. Okay, tame the ox मतलब उसको जो गुस्से वाले को शांत कराना, उसको बोलते हैं tame. So that is what he has done in his school period only. When the recess was going on, what he has done, he has took one rope and he took one stick and slowly he went towards that ox, and he, by seeing the view, what he has done, he has just jumped onto the ox back and he has put that rope in its mouth, it stuck it. As he has jumped on the back of the ox, as the ox came to know that someone is sitting on my back, started jumping. It started, immediately he started jumping. When he had started jumping, at that time what happened? By mistake, he was just controlling the ox, but by mistakenly, by jumping and hopping, it went inside to the class 7, where recess was over and everyone is inside the class, but he is busy with taming the ox only. So the ox entered into the classroom, and everyone who was there, some were hurt, some came out safely. There one teacher was there. She also, anyhow, she came out of the classroom. Then she went to the headmaster and again she complained against Tapan. But this time what happened? Not only the students have got hurt, but some of the school property has also destroyed, like the window pans, doors, something somewhere its horns were stuck and they are also destroyed. That's why this time the headmaster has become very irritated with this boy, and he has said that he has to pay 25 rupees as the punishment, and he also got the 15 strokes. On the top of that, what the headmaster has said, he has given a complaint that if, memo we can say, it's a reminder like to him that if the next any mischief he has done and it will be coming to him, then he will remove him from that school. Okay, so these are the 2 bad deeds that Tapan has done. So here we are going to read some of his good deeds. But whenever he went to his headmaster's room, and whenever he came off from there, always he has seen that his friends, whoever was sitting in the class, they all used to make jokes of him. They all used to laugh at him. Okay, so like this it was going on. One day what happened? So this time, one day what happened, one evening when the headmaster, what he used to do, once the school is finished, over, he returns back to his house, he take rest for some time, he have a cup of coffee. Then in the evening time, at the time of sunset, okay, headmaster used to go for a walk. He always used to go for a walk. So that day what happened? Every day he used to go for a walk, but one day what he has seen, when he was going to a walk, he has seen that Tapan, along with 2 of his friends, were going on the road. But Tapan, next to the Tapan is holding the hand of one lady, one old lady, old beggar. Okay, one old beggar was there. For her hand he is holding, and her bag he has kept in his head, and he is moving. At the back of him, his 2 friends were there. Okay, Mahesh and Naren. Okay, Mahesh and Naren. These 2 friends, he is making fun of that boy. He is making fun of Tapan. They are laughing, they are steaming them, they are crazy, they are doing a number of things with him. So, at that incident, headmaster has seen. By seeing that incident, headmaster went towards these people. So when they went towards these people, these 2 fellows, the Mahesh and Naren, what they have done, by seeing headmaster, they folded their hands and wished him. like good evening or good morning, whatever, that is called as greetings. Okay, so they both have wished. And headmaster was standing there. He asked her, what the people are doing? The old lady answered that, the beggar was there, she answered that, sir, I am an old beggar. I am having heavy fever. I could not walk a step further. So he is a boy who came like a god to help me. And these two people, or else I was lying on the roadside only. अगर ये लड़का भगवान जैसे आके मेरे को बचा रहा है, नहीं तो मैं रोड साइड में ही पड़े रहती है बुखार से. And these two kids, they are just making fun on him. These two people also have seen me, but they have neglected me. And the one who came and he is helping me, then these two people are making fun on me. Then the headmaster, by listening to that, he scolded the two boys and said, immediately you move from there. Leave this place. Then Tapan, holding the old lady's hand, he called her grandma, and they both moved forward. They both went, and Tapan left her in her home. This was the first deed which he had done, and by which the headmaster was impressed. Okay. So like that only. One more evening, when he was returning from a walk, okay, when headmaster is having a habit to go for a walk, so when he was returning from a walk, he has seen that there was one ox at the side of the road, and there the boy Tapan, he is sitting there and he is nursing the ox. How? Someone has hit and broken the knee of the ox. The same ox which Tapan has tamed. वही ऑक्स जो तपन ने उसको गुस्सा को शांत करना चाहता था, उसके ऊपर बैठ के, तो आज वही ऑक्स को वो दवाई लगा रहा है. So he went to him and he has seen. Then immediately, as he has seen the headmaster, he stood up, he folded his hands and he wished him. Then he asked him, what are you doing, Tapan, here? Then Tapan said, sir, see, someone has hit this ox. It is in very pain. We should not do like this. No human being should hurt any animal. Tapan is saying. Then headmaster said that, oh Tapan, you are the one who was saying this. No one should do this. Then how you have done that? On that day, then he said that, sir, this ox was torturing everyone in the village. So that's why I want to tame that ox. But here, from that day the ox has become very good. It is tamed. But still someone has eaten its leg. But sir, my father has said that there are certain leaves that have the leaves have medicinal value. So that's why I have took these leaves, I smashed that, and the pulp which has came, that one I put in the ox knee, and I have put it the band-aid. Very soon it will get cured. Okay, very soon it will get cured. So by seeing this, again headmaster was impressed and he patted on his shoulders and said, good. And he left the place. He also went to his home and he also went to his home. So these are the good deeds which made principal very think about that. Then there came an award function day. Okay, there came an award function day. An award function day, it is a like prize distribution day. Okay, when we are giving prizes to all the toppers of the school, toppers of the class, toppers of the subject, for everyone, for good attendance, for good character, for everything. So that time, on that year when the test came, on that time, the headmaster has announced that this year we are going to introduce one more prize, that is a special prize which is given to the child who is having a good character. Okay, he said that introducing means उस साल से एक नया प्राइज इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, जो है वो है, और एक एक्स्ट्रा प्राइज दिया जा रहा है, वो किसके लिए? टू द वन हु इज हैविंग गुड कैरेक्टर. So as he has told this, the announcement, then after all the students of the school and the of his class all have started teasing him that, hey Tapan, you will be the best character boy of the school. You will be the best character. You will be getting this special awards for your best character. क्योंकि वो बहुत बदमाश था ना, तो उसके वो बदमाशी के लिए सब उसको बोलते थे कि तेरे को ही मिलेगा, तेरे को ही मिलेगा. तो वो एकदम चिढ़ के, उसका चेहरा पूरा लाल होके, एकदम शर्म होके वो था. लेकिन उस जो एनुअल, उस जो व्हाट इज दैट, द प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे वाज देयर. On that prize distribution day, the college principal of Guwahati has came as a chief guest in that prize distribution ceremony. So there he came, everything, he was about to leave the gathering. वो वहाँ से जाने ही वाला था, उतना में प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट हो गया, तो वो भी रुका था वहाँ पे. ओके, वो भी रुका था वहाँ पे. और everyone has addressed, principal sir given, headmaster has given the address. Then the principal of Guwahati College, he has introduced himself. Then he has spoke something, and many people who were there, some committee members or the others, they have also came forward and spoke. Then after, the award giving function started. The prize distributions have started. Everything was over. At the end, principal, the headmaster came to the dais and he said, once again he has introduced to the gathering that a very good morning, or whatever the greetings to all the ladies, gentlemen, the guests, the students and everyone. Here, from this year we are going to introduce one prize, that is a special prize which is given to the student who is having a very good character. So this time, this honor of presenting a good character, a special prize, I would like to invite Tapan of class 5th on the stage. So as principal has announced that Tapan of class 5th, everyone in the gathering was pin drop silent. Everyone was silent. No words to speak. So at that time, again principal sir has given the name that Tapan Kumar something, his name is there. Okay. Tapan is not at all believing that he has got that prize. Okay. So again he has called, yes, Sriman Tapan Kumar Hazaria. Tapan Kumar Hazaria of class 5th, please come on the stage. Then he stood up, because he is not believing, but because the boy in the very first of the chapter, he has got a tag that he is the bad boy of the school or bad boy of the village. So here he has been called for the prize distribution or prize for getting a prize of special prize for only for his character. So that's why when second time when headmaster is called, then he stood up and he went towards the headmaster. Then he has given, the headmaster himself has given him the award, and he has given 5 rupees as a pocket money for Tapan. And then again he came to the dais and he has said about all the incidents, that how he helped the old beggar who was lying on the road, how he has helped the ox who was hurt, how he has nursed the horse. Okay, these incidents he said. When the headmaster has said this incident, everyone in the gathering has clapped for him for his good deeds. By saying that, he was having a glimpse of shine in his eyes and a tears of joy in his eyes. खुशियों पूरा भर के उसके आंख से आंसू जो निकल रहे थे वो खुशी के आंसू थे. That someone has recognized him, that he is not a bad boy. He is a good boy who is having a helping nature, not only for the human beings but also for the animals. Okay, so this is all about your chapter, the special prize. Okay, so whatever the back exercise I am telling you, when the shopkeeper complained about him, Tapan was respectful but honest. Okay, Tapan was respectful but honest. Tapan was a bad boy of the school, but he helped the woman because he was soft-hearted and helpful by nature. क्योंकि वो बहुत ही soft-hearted था और वो सबको help करना चाहता था. Earlier, Tapan has been quite rough with the ox, but he put medicine on its broken leg because he knew how to care animals. Tapan was popular with his classmates, yet some of them sniggered when he was punished because they were jealous of Tapan because he was popular. They were jealous of Tapan because he was popular. Tapan was given the special prize. Tapan was given the special prize because why he was given the special prize? Because he was really very helpful and kind. As he was very helpful and kind, he has got a reward of special prize. Okay, so this is all about your special prize. Question answers, word meanings and difficult words are there in your app. Please take out and write it and learn it also. Okay, learn and write it in your copy. Bye everyone. Good day.